Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to solve Leetcode daily challenge problem number 513. Find bottom left tree value. So it's a really simple problem to solve, and we'll first check out the problem statement. Then we'll look into the approach which you're going to use, and towards the end we'll see the code as well. So starting with the problem statement, it is given that given the root of a binary tree, return the leftmost value in the last row of the tree. So let's take this example in which we have these 7 nodes, and we have to return the leftmost element. So basically 4 and 7 qualifies for it, of the last level of the tree. So 7 is the answer. Okay, so this is what we have to do, and we can simply solve this question using the breadth first search approach. And what we will be doing is we will be maintaining a queue, and we will initialize it with the root element. Okay, at every step, like whenever we'll go into the queue, we will take the first element of the queue at that moment. For example, we are in queue at the moment right now. Okay, so I'll write a loop. I'll write a loop saying while we have element in queues, I want to basically pop element from the left side of it. So I'll write it like current q dot pop 0. Okay, so basically pop removes the element from the right by default, but if you add 0 in it, it will pop the element from the left. So this is the you know this is how we will be traversing it, and when you pop the element, it basically gets out from it. Okay, now check if whatever node you have popped is has your a left and a right subtree or not, or a right, yeah, node or subtree, whatever you want to say. So if current dot left, then add we will add that in the tree, and if current dot right, we will add that into the queue again. So it will look something like right, let's say 3 and 2. Okay, so if you observe, each time when you are entering the queue, you will have uh, elements, like for example in the first iteration you just had the root. In the second iteration you will have your this level. Okay, in the third iteration you'll have this level. In the fourth one you will just simply have this one. So this is what exactly is happening, and if you just keep a track of the current, you will basically get your answer from the question. Okay, so let's check out the code for the same. It's going to be a really simple one, to write as well. So here what we are doing, we are maintaining a queue, and we have initialized our current value with the root node itself. Okay, so if the tree only had a single node, the answer will be root, right? And we initialize a queue with the current node or the root node, whatever you want to say. Now I'm running a loop till we have elements in the queue, and we, like, at every step we are just taking out the leftmost element from the queue as a current value, and that is the value which we want to return at the end. Okay, and if we have any value on the right, we are appending that in the queue. If we have any value in the left, we are appending that again in the queue. And towards the end we are simply returning the value of the node which is in the current variable. So let's check out the test cases, and as you can see, the test cases got clear. Let's submit it for further evaluation. And the solution got accepted. And like, runtime is not that great, so what you can do is, like, instead of using a simple list or array, you can use dq or q methods, which are Python based methods, to maybe more optimize it. But yeah, this was the solution, guys. Thanks again for watching up the video. Stay tuned for the upcoming ones. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.